warm, my dear.
Thank you, Grandma.
Look, my dear.
Oh, it's raining so hard.
It feels nice, doesn't it?
You've got it, my dear. Give it a gentle pull. It's heavy.
Almost there. Wonderful.
Wow, look at this one, Grandma. It's huge.
You found a perfect one, dear. Let's put it in the basket.
Look at these, my dear. We've gathered quite a bounty. Yes, Grandma. So big and green.
We can make delicious kimchi. You must grasp the leaves firmly right here at the root.
Got it!
I'll get these to the basket, Grandma.
I know you will.
Look at all these beautiful onions. Wow, Grandma. There's so many.
Ah, the smell of fresh green onions.
Grandma. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's better.
Looks so neat, Halmoni.
The rain is getting heavy. Let's hurry and cover the peppers. It's warm inside.
Yes, so cozy. See, like this. It's an old trick.
Wow, it looks so easy, Grandma. looks perfect, Grandma.
Let's shell these pieces together. Excellent! Everything is clean and ready.
Wow, Grandma, look at the big cabbages.
Yes, they are perfect. Let's start on the kimchi now. Grandpa, can you tell me the story of the salt again?
Of course, little one.
And just like this, we prepare the meal together.
I did it, Grandma.
Yes, you did, my little one. Tear up when I make this.
Don't worry, Grandma. I'm here. Perfect, my dear. Oh, Grandmother, it's beautiful.
runs like this. Smooth it out gently. Now you try.
Like this, Grandma? Grandma, look what I brought! Minji, you're just in time! The chili is perfect!
Just a touch more.
Look, Grandma, the kimchi is so red!
Yes, Minji. Now we make it perfect. There, all 3 jars are full.
Look, Grandma, we did it!
Dear, ready? Together now.
1, 2, 3, we got it, Granny!
Good job. Keep going. Slowly, slowly.
This way?